Nelly, thank you for your video tutorial. And as far as I haven't documented anything, so I'll try to do that right now by adding hot question. Okay, so let's get to activities and probably, okay, question. Um, I'm addicted to really, that is what I wanted. And I wanted also to add a description and okay, that's some interesting here. I'm going to use it. Okay, so and then after a quiz, do a quiz to find out if you okay, so and what I'm going to do here is okay, so let's see now. Availability. That is where I had a problem, I think, because when I enabled, I guess probably I'm wrong. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now. I'll try to save and return to course. Well, now it works and that's great. I know what happened, but really I couldn't do that, though I designed it the same way. I just didn't want to save and then show that there was some problem. Okay, so let's see. Let's explore. Yeah, so something like that. Please. Okay, getting me right there. Right, working. And it is blocked. Okay. Post. And okay. So that is all about my mumbling. Once again, thank you very much, Ellie. Now that works just fine. Thank you.